guys, so today's tip is going to be on how to blow dry my hair to get the volume. So it's going to be a quick video. I like using the Power Dry Me by Design Me. It makes my hair dry a lot faster. So I just spray. I like to use my fingers instead of a brush to get that, to make my hair stay up. So let's do it. So start blow drying in the roots and then just pull your hair up. So blow dry your roots, pull hair up. So if whenever you're blow drying your hair, I think it's very important, depending on which direction you want your hair to go. Like you have to blow dry in that direction, because if I want my hair to stay up, so I'll make sure when I'm blow drying it up. So as you can see, it's already like staying up. But if I want it down, then I would not blow dry my hair up. Like I would try to like blow dry it down. You get what I'm saying? Okay, continue. And there you have it, a quick tip on how to blow dry your hair. Well, the only product I put in was this, just to dry my hair quicker, but see, with that nothing, it already looks like that. It's just that finger motion, so keep doing that. Alright guys, let me know what kind of videos you want to see. I'm going to be doing more videos, as I promised. Till next time!